A day in the life of a red blood cell by Tim. What is a red blood cell? A red blood cell is any kind of cell normally found circulating in the blood. A red blood cell has hemoglobin, a protein inside that carries oxygen. Red blood cells can also remove carbon dioxide from your body, transporting it to the lungs and then exhaling. Red blood cells are made inside of your bones, in the bone marrow. They usually will live for 120 days, until they die. This is why the red blood cell is one of the most important cells in the body. What's inside of a blood cell? Inside of a blood cell is a protein called hemoglobin that carries oxygen to the other parts of the body and can also remove carbon dioxide from the lungs. The blood cell has no nucleus because of the hemoglobin, which makes the cell appear to be red. The circulatory system. The circulatory system is a vast network consisting of blood vessels in the heart. The heart is made of specialized cardiac tissue that allows it to pump blood throughout the circulatory system in one beat. The heart is made of 4 chambers. There are one atrium and a ventricle on each side of the heart. The atrium receives blood and the ventricle pumps blood throughout the body. Start of the journey. This is one of the thousands of red blood cells. This one is called Bob. He is 80 days old. Bob will start his journey at the heart, where he will be pumped throughout the body in tubes called blood vessels, lungs, respiratory system. Bob is transported to the lungs by a tube called the pulmonary artery. At the lungs, he collects oxygen for the rest of the body. This is called oxygenation. When you breathe in, the diaphragm contracts, and when you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes, re-entering the heart. After Bob leaves the lungs with the oxygen, he goes through the pulmonary artery back to the left atrium, whereas he goes into the left ventricle, and this repeats. This is called a full circulation. Without the heart, the blood would not be able to pump the blood around the body. Facts. A red blood cell travels around the body roughly around 100,000 times a day on average. The average adult male has 5.6 liters of blood flowing around every minute. The blood cell does a full circulation of the body 3 times. The system of blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries that are inside the body is over 96,560.64 kilometers long. Bibliography. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.